This is part 2, and the storm is starting to pick up a little bit, as you saw by the end of part 1 there. And I'm still outside, pointing towards the northwest, and the west, and the north. So I'm covering 3 different directions at once here, and it's really difficult. Ooh, about blew my camera out of my hand. Well, that's actually warm air, kind of. That was cool. It's very cool. Somebody's outside. Oh. Something's moving over there. I think flashlight ain't bright enough. You got the what? Oh, that's cool. That's all the way over to the northeast. So I'm changing directions here. Focusing more now on the northwest, the north, and now looks like the northeast a little bit. So now I'm looking towards the north. There's some in the south, but you can't see it over my house, so I can't focus on my point of view. Man, it's crazy and cold out here. What'd you say? Ooh. Oh, that was a good cloud to cloud when I got it. I'm pretty sure I got that. If I didn't get that, then I'm gonna probably be a little bit mad, but I'll be mad later. Right now, my video is not the best time to be mad. The north is really lighting up, in case you didn't know. It's starting to rain. The south lit up. I got a little bit of whatever that was. Looks like I'm still going to need to be pointed towards the northwest a little bit. What, did you finally get a wind gust over there or something? Oh, there's a bolt behind the trees. I don't think I got it because it was behind the trees, but I saw it. Oh, God. You have to start. That one broke up the phone a little bit. Oh, did you see that? Oh. South is lighting up again. Wow, there's another bolt behind them trees. God, I need to find a better...
Saturday is 23rd.
Well, we're supposed to get more storms later today, too, ain't we?
I don't know.
I mean, this is only like 1 o'clock in the morning, ain't it? Oh yeah, wind gust, big time. Here we go. Ooh, that was really cool. Oh. Uh-oh. Big time rain droplets. Big rain drops. Big drops. Yeah. Big drops. That's all it is. We're good to go. Sounds like it's over towards the northwest now. Or northeast. I'm tired. I get confused on these. Yeah. Was that a bolt? Because if it was, I got it. Man, there's a lot of bright flashes I'm not getting. How in the world does that work? Oh, it's gonna be loud. I know. Well, I guess it's not gonna be loud. It just looked like it from the way the lightning was. Ooh, I got that. Whatever that was. Maybe. So it looks like northeast is where they mainly are now. Another wind gust. What'd you say? South is going insane. Do you suggest me moving there?
Yeah.
Well, once I get my batteries changed up on my camera, then maybe. It's still going nice too. Alright, this is the end of part 3. I'll be back with part... No, this ain't part 3, this is part 2, isn't it? Yeah, it's part 2, okay, I'll be back with part 3. Just keep watching.